This isn't a typical flight school. We are a fully integrated aviation organization serving the greater Charlotte area since 2009. With facilities in Monroe, Charlotte, and Concord, we provide a wide range of industry-leading products and services. With over 20 aircraft and instructors, our flight training program has provided instruction to thousands of students seeking certifications from private pilot and instrument rating through CFII, MEI, and beyond. With training available in everything from a 1940s Champ to a state-of-the-art Cirrus SR-22, we have the aircraft and personnel to accommodate any aviation goal. As a Cirrus Certified Training Center and a Cirrus Service Center, we lead the way in support for general aviation's most popular platform. In addition to flight training, Aerowood is a certified management company maintaining aircraft for owners across the Carolinas. From maintenance and detailing to turnkey support and logistical services, our experts manage aircraft for general aviation and Part 135 charter operations through our sister company, Charter Jet Transport. As we continue to grow and expand, our goal is to provide high-caliber support across a broad spectrum of general and commercial aviation services. We are Aerowood Aviation.